Oh, oh, oh. Don't you just hate that? Bubbles are so beautiful, but you blow them and then pop, they're gone. But what if I told you we could break the rules? What if we could make a bubble that you can touch? A bubble that you can hold? A bubble that you can bounce? Welcome back to the lab, scientists.
Gosh, and it's bubbling, bubbling, bubbling! Oh!
And it turns back to purple. Who guessed it would turn back to purple? Thank you so much for your thunderous applause. But I'm not a magician at all. I'm a scientist.
This is our seed rock, the starter. Think of it like planting a crystal seed.
Except instead of a tree, you grow a tiny glowing gemstone that looks like it belongs in a dragon's treasure hoard. I'm Carla. This is the National Geographic Science Lab. Remember, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep bouncing.